Hey guys, and I'm gonna make this one pretty short. All I'm gonna do is tell you guys how to do a thumbnail. So what you want is iMovie and Intro Maker, and there's another one called Intro Maker, but it looks different, so choose the one that has that cover. And you don't really need an eraser, you can if you want, but it's not really that useful. And then once you get it, you want to open Intro Maker and like pick what you want to do. I already have one, so I'm just gonna pick a random one. I'm just gonna pick this one. And then you want to download it. Well, make sure it's not locked, and then you can, do that. Edit this, whatever your title is, random stuff like that. And then your logo. You can add a photo. I'm not the best at this, but I'm pretty good at picture. And then you press the add button. And then you pick your photo and then crop it into there. I'm just going to show you guys an example. So when you press on a photo, okay, I'm just going to do a random photo, so you can do, I would do circle, and when you do the circle, you put it in there, just like that. And when you're done, I add all your stickers and stuff, stickers, whatever you guys want to do. And let's say you're done, and then you press the check mark, and then save. Stupid ads,
Red Table Talk is
real talk.
real.
Save, and then it should save to your, video, yeah. And then this is the important part. It's not really that important, but you want to pick a song and just screen record it, screen record the audio, and put it in your photos or videos. And then you go to iMovie. So pick the sound that you want to use and just screen record it and use the audio. And then you're going to press the what you just made and a video that you're uploading. So you record the video and you pick it. Let's say I'm using this video. So you do the intro first, the one you just made, the intro. You tap on it. Wait, let me go back. So first you press new project, movie, and then you press on your intro, and then you press on what you wanna, the main part of the video, the video. and then you press create. And then if you wanna add the audio, wow, this is, see, and it goes through. And then it fades out. Oh, what the? Oh, this is the video I filmed. Alright, who cares? And then you press add. And then, oh yeah, I forgot to say. Okay, let me just do an example real quick. Photos. So just go on a random video like this one. Wait. And then you want to press the button in the bottom left, the share button. And then press add to album and just do this and put in some random letters and press save. And then once you save, you want to refresh this and go to albums and go and find your album. I have a lot. I'm just going to choose this one right here. And then you tap on this, you tap on it, and then you press on the three dots and you see audio only. And then it should put it in there, and then you cut it right when it ends, right when the intro ends, you press split. And then you press delete, and then you should play. I don't know why I do this, but, And then that's how you do it. And then it's the same thing with the outro, but instead you do it in order. So you press the intro, then you do the video, then you do the outro. This is my outro. So I hope this helped. Oh, forgetting a step. Okay, and then you press done, and then you press the share button in the middle, that share button with the arrow, and you press save video. I am not going to save it because I don't want to. I don't want to go through the time. And then you go to YouTube, press record, and then tap on the video. That's not the video though. This is. Wait, no, I didn't download the video. Okay. So guys, see you guys in the next video, and peace.